Karim is at a restaurant in Gifu called Izakaya Sanraku to eat a meal fit for a sumo.
Yeah, arigato, arigato.
His host, Kunikazu, will serve chanko nabe,
It smells good.
a calorific and terrific soup used by wrestlers to help them gain weight.
Cheers. It's not that much. I can get this down me easily. This must be full of calories from eating 10,000.
That bowl on its own isn't 10,000 calories, Karim. You better get comfy.
This is lovely. This is not a challenge. This is a reward for all the hard work I've done for those boys.
Ha, yeah, wait for it.
More food. That doesn't look like soup.
This is Ayuno Shioyaki, or grilled ayu fish.
All right, bro.
Bit more rice,
That's a lot of rice.
chicken karage,
Try this bad boy.
and some salad. Healthy.
Meat sweats.
It's not just the meat sweats that are coming. There's some more courses.
I think I've got enough food.
Ooh, gyoza, my favourite.
Don't come back, okay? Done. Lock the door. What did I say?
Don't be rude, there's more rice now.
Is that it? Finish? Right, seriously though, don't come back now.
A sip of tea to wash things down.
Yakisoba.
Because surprise, there's more food incoming.
Yakisoba.
Get those yakisoba noodles down, yeah?
I'm so full. Can't admit.
Karim will need an official pardon if he thinks he can get away without eating more food. Here's more rice and more chicken karage.
I'm so full, I can't even work a chopstick anymore. Don't want to see him again.
At least you've nearly finished the chanko nabe, Karim.
Enjoy it. Oh, come off it.
Ah, maybe not.
That's that, but
Okay.
20 times bigger. I could fit in that.
But can you fit it in your belly?
Wow, stuffed. I'm done.